So over here you can see that I have this color image, but let's say what I want to do is I want to edit out a black and white version of this image. In that case, you can go around on the edit section and click on B and W right here. Once you do that, you can see that the picture turns black and white. But if I were to go around onto black and white mixer over here, you can see that new panel actually pops up. You can go around and control out individual color channels. Even though this is black and white, this was originally shot in color, meaning individual color ranges can be corrected. Like let's say for example, the C is the blue range. So if I were to change around the blue range, you can see that you can control out the blue sky area right here to be dark or bright as per how you want. Similarly, the grasses area are green, so I can go around and change out the green area and control out whatever are green, as you can see. Similarly, I can go around with yellows and control out the yellows and then the oranges as well. So that is what you can do. As you can see right here, you can go around and control out the yellows, the oranges and so forth, just like this. And then that is what you have. You can also work around with purples, you can work around with blues just like this, and work around with each and every color range right here by using the black and white mix. So that is how you can edit in black and white, and you can go back to this like default right here just like this, default like this by disabling black and white. Click on it again and goes into black and white just like this. So that is how you can edit out black and white inside of Adobe Camera RAW. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.